we're getting a firearm drill, and I'm taking you with me. I'm here, don't panic. Maybe. Let's go! Oh, man.
Okay. Everybody call your fire alarm.
Well, everybody free.
Please do it.
Listen, we go together. We don't walk ahead of everyone else.
Zero people.
We go out the front door and head toward the admin building. So you go out the front door and go to the right on that path, admin path. Are you listening to me, you whispering boys?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're listening.
Oh, yeah, that's... You want us to stay together.
Can we record it?
What? My directions?
No.
The fire drill.
Yeah, I'm doing a fire drill.
Please don't, because then you're going to get in trouble for having your phone out.
Zero
It
people.
won't necessarily be just me that notices, because you're going to walk right by the front office.
What if it's in our
Mr.
pockets?
Archie was very nice to come in and warn me so that your trumpets and flutes and clarinets and all that don't end up on the floor.
Or drowning out the fire alarm.
There you go. You're gonna leave that good impression, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Alright, where does it go?
Zero people. Focus on boss. Focus on boss. A green button, black screen with a white button, red button.
Oh, my God, you're so sensitive people away.
But it's not gonna, it's not, you heard the fire alarm thousands of times, so you're not gonna be.
Yeah.
The old one was terrible.
Oh no, I'm gonna set that one on fire. I'm gonna grab my flamethrower and set it.
I am sensitive.
No!
Oh no, my
Stop.
ears were
Okay,
bleeding.
fine.
My ears were bleeding every time when I put it off.
That's mine.
Zero people.
That's why. Mr. Nick is the one in the cottage.
Yeah, it's still the.
Because Mr. Nick is too cheap.
I mean, then again, you kind of like are gonna be asleep at some point, so.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
I would appreciate having a louder one, despite the fact that it blast my ear out.
Then we walk slow.
Let's go.
Zero people.
Oh my God.
Walking a single file line.
Don't take your belongings. Don't take your
I took my belongings and my belongings.
No talking.
No talking. Go outside and watch the building burn down. Go outside and watch the building burn down.
Why are we sitting on the grass even though the grass is
Zero people.
How does that hurt your ears, Connor?
No, the funny thing I heard is
Yeah, no. It's not that loud of a fire alarm.
Use that.
I mean, hey,
Zero people.
No, there's a fire drill set up.
front door now. Then when we go out the front door, we're going to go down the stairs. Oh, wow, wow. Actually, the volume is slightly, oh wow, increased. I changed that fucking, really? Move! Yo, don't panic, bro.
Actually, you know what code this is on the file I'm playing? Code 3.
How do you know that? Do you know some more codes?
Yeah. Really? Yeah, and I changed it to March time. It goes like this.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
And what's adding more code?
Bro, Bro, why do we have to watch the building burn down?
Zero people.
Watch the building burn down.
Hey, now, back. 15 meters away from the home. Lucas, from the
Today. Today. No, it's just, yeah, no, it's this. Dang. Yes, it is. Morse code is the blinker. Yes, it is. You're not.
Zero people.
I know how to reset a fire alarm. No, I actually do.
You can change it to March time.
Yeah, yeah.
Rubber glove blown up, yeah.
I can't, I don't have the freaking key.
We're just finding
Can I have the key, please?
Specific.
Can I have the fire alarm key, please? So I can change it to March time?
No fingers.
I want it to be March time. I want it to go like this. I don't know what's funny.
Why are you middle schoolers here?
Oh,
Hey, now,
Can you stop talking here?
Code 1, code 2, it's just a long That's code 2 back there.
Zero people.
Sorry about that.
Let's set it off again.
Let's not set it off again.
No, set it off again and take it to March time.
Actually, let's do that.
Fire alarm was going up, that's code 3.
Zero people.
Yeah. There is such thing as sound Morse code, yeah.
Oh my god, that's
great.
Zero people.
Yeah, no, Morse code is sound. It can be symbols too.
usually are.
Or lights. Flashing lights.
Like beep, 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 beep. Look out.
That's what you get for staying in the middle of the freeway, man.
I thought of.
Zero people.
Here, let me step on up.
Here, touch my hand.
Oh, no, what up?
You good?
Get up.
I thought it was broke.
Get up, man.
You go wrong.
Now, to be looking from the point of
So you don't stand in the middle of a
Wait, wait,
stairway.
now,
Come on.
wait, 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 attack, attack.
Lady, you'll be fine.
Zero people.
We're back in the bird auditorium.
It smells like acid rain.
Let me touch you.
Beep, 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 beep,
Beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep, beep.
Zero people.
That's March time.
Beep, beep.
You know something.
Now, because 2006 open vacancy. Lucas, double L is funny. Now, because 2006 open vacancy. Lucas, 16 CPS open sector on double 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 next campus vacancy for the UI double CPS 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 double CPS double CPS double Zero people.
Miss Sterling. Miss Sterling, the fire, what's the fire alarm?
Yes, we know it's code 3. put my phone in my pocket.
Zoom. 1 point away.